Good morning guys, or actually it's good afternoon for me. This is going live on a Sunday morning, but it's actually the afternoon for me, which is why I have this gorgeous sunset happening behind me. I love this room at it's 4:45. The light is just beautiful. How are you guys? I hope you're well. The reason I've started vlogging in the afternoon, which I don't normally do, is because I've got a really busy full day out tomorrow. Well, actually, it's not that busy. I've got like a couple of things on in the morning, and then I'm very excited in the afternoon to be getting my hair done. I've been going on about it for so long. My hair, that's why it looks a bit greasy, because there's no point washing it before a hair appointment. My greys, I really need to cover my greys. People always say, why don't you pick them out? But then they just grow back sprouty, and that's worse. I'm gonna get my greys covered, and then I'm gonna speak to the colorist and decide if I'm gonna do anything with the rest of my hair. I'm nervous to make changes, but also it's fun. We'll see what they say. I definitely don't want to do any damage to my hair. It's in good condition. I need to keep it that way. But I'm starting the day with an event tomorrow, pretty early, and like mornings in this house are just chaotic, like getting everyone ready, getting everyone dressed. So I thought I would plan my outfit for tomorrow, get everything sorted so I know exactly what I'm wearing and I can just get up and go. And I thought you guys might be interested in seeing me do that. I've grabbed some things for my wardrobe that I think are gonna work. So let me go put those on. This jumper is from Arquette. It's actually men's Arquette. Rich didn't want it anymore. He didn't really like the fit of it as much, so I took it and it's perfect. It's like the perfect oversized fit for me. Oh, also really wanted to mention, because I was just about to open a new one of these. These are the stripe and stare knickers, the high-rise knickers. They're made from trees and they come in this packaging. Okay, sorry, I know I don't talk about knickers often. I was sent these, they were a gift, and I know those look massive. You can just get like normal size ones. I love a high-rise knicker. I don't know why. It just makes me feel more like compact. And then, because most of my trousers are high-rise, high-waisted, it just like makes sense. I feel like if your knickers are too low and you're wearing high-waisted, it feels weird. These are, they just don't look good on camera, do they? They're so nice. They're so soft and silky, and they just feel so comfortable on. I just wanted to quickly show you those. I'm going to be putting on my And Other Stories trousers. I got these, wait, is this sun annoying you? I got these last week. I don't know if you saw on Instagram stories, I said that I picked up a few pieces from And Other Stories. Oh my God, I got some really, really good things. I've probably shown these on Instagram by the time this video goes live. But I got these trousers and I got a dress and I got a top, and they were all so, so nice. So I'm gonna wear these trousers. I've been on the hunt for some trousers for ages. I almost bought a pair from M&M and got them tailored because they were a little bit too cropped for me. And I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna wait and have a think. And then I found these and I'm so happy I waited, because these are perfect. I really like the material they're made from. They're kind of thick, so they feel really secure and comfortable. Not gonna get a VPL. Let me show you, I'm just tucking in the front of the jumper and then just like folding it over like that. So it's always very hard to show you in a landscape. These are the trousers. Can you kind of see? They're like straight, a bit cropped. They've kind of got a seam going down the middle. They kind of pull me in a bit. Let me take you off here. Maybe you can see better now. They are just so comfortable. It's such a good black trouser. I feel like I can wear them smart, I can wear them casual, so many different occasions. Really, really happy with these. But obviously this outfit is just a grey jumper and black trousers. I love it, it's very me, but I feel like I could make it look a little bit smarter. I've got an event in the morning and then a meeting. But then I'm also going to the hairdressers, so I need an outfit and accessories that are very comfortable and not going to feel like in the way. I'm very excited that this video is sponsored by Missoma. You guys know how much I'm a huge fan of the brand. I've been wearing their jewellery for years now and really like built up a relationship with the brand and a trust, and I just love their products so much. I'm just going to open the curtains and let more of this lovely evening light in. So they've got a new collection that I'm really excited to tell you about. It's called the HOOPED, and I know that you guys are going to love this, because I'm always getting questions whenever I share any earrings on social media. People always ask me, are they heavy? Are they lightweight? And I am exactly the same. Like, I don't love wearing earrings that are like really, really heavy. Having something lightweight that's not going to like tug on my ear is something I really look for, and that's exactly what the HOOPED collection is all about. There's a huge range of different size hoops, big hoops, small hoops, gold, silver, loads of different finishes to pick from. So the whole collection is using recycled 18 karat gold vermeil and recycled sterling silver. But I've got some of the collection here to actually show you that's what you guys want to see, so let me just grab them. So these are everyday hoops that you could easily wear, and they're going to feel so comfortable, and that's why I'm going to wear some tomorrow. I think it's a perfect day. I'm out all day. I've got 3 holes on this side. I always keep a Huggy in the second one, and these really gorgeous studs, which are also Missoma, that kind of climb up my ear a bit. I have 2 holes here. Might get another one soon. So let me show you my top picks from the collection. These are the classic tunnel small hoop earrings. They are perfect for everyday wear. I absolutely, excuse my nails, it's paint. I absolutely love these. I wear these all the time. Barely notice you have them in your ears. These are similar, but with a bit more going on. These are the twisted helical small hoop earrings. They look like this. They're so pretty, so dainty, and I love the twisted look for an earring. I think that looks so nice. I'm really excited to wear these. These would also be really good for like a second or third hole because they're like tiny Huggies. So there's loads of different size hoops, Huggies, small, medium, large. There's like proper big hoops if that's what you're into. These are the ridge medium hoop earrings. Really love these. Again, the kind of ridge look gives it a little bit of interest. I feel like these would be good for tomorrow. They're kind of like a bit smarter than like a plain hoop. I really like these. I think I'll try those on in a minute. And then these are the classic flat small hoop. I love the flat style in earrings. So instead of it being like a round hoop, you can see it's got an edge. It's like a flat shape. And these are the small size. They're a little bit bigger than the others, but still kind of a small hoop. These are so beautiful. So these would look like this. Let me try some on for you. I also kept one of my Missoma boxes out to show you how they come because it is such a beautiful gift for yourself or for someone else. Like, look at this gorgeous box, and then inside you get a little pouch, and that's where your earrings come in. I wear the mini tunnel hoops all the time, so you guys would have seen me wear those. Let's try on these ones. I'm so sorry that my nails are covered in paint. It's like proper wall paint, and it just like won't come off. Not entirely sure I'm the sort of person that can put on earrings without looking in a mirror. Okay, I've put on the ridge medium hoops, which you can see here, and I really love them. You can see, like, even from far back, you can see I'm wearing earrings, but they're like not too much. Honestly, they're so lightweight. I'm particularly impressed with these ones because these ones look chunky, they look weighty, and they're so, I'm like shaking my head. They are so lightweight and so comfortable. I haven't actually worn a bigger hoop for quite a while. I used to wear like really big hoops when I was younger, when I was a teenager. So I'm gonna try on the small size and see how that looks on me. Ooh, I like it. I like these ones because they're thinner, but it's the fact that they're flat that looks so nice. So I'm looking at the viewfinder because I wanted to see what they look like. I think that this piercing for me, I always have problems with this earlobe. I think that the hole is like either trying to close up or it's not like a straight hole from front to back. I always have issues with it. It's very annoying. So this bit just pops up, and then it's very easy to just slot in. Oh, those are so nice. I didn't expect to love these ones that much, actually. I think that looks really nice, like with my hair pulled back. I don't know which ones to wear tomorrow. I'm either gonna wear these or these ones because I feel like the plain outfit needs a bit something else. So if you're interested in the Missoma Hoop Air collection, I'm going to put a link down below in the description box and all the info you need to know. It's a very good collection. Okay, I'm going to go downstairs and make the kids some dinner, so I will be up bright and early tomorrow, and I'll see you in the morning. It's the next day. I'm up bright and early, ready to go into town, almost ready. I just need to grab some breakfast. I've got dry shampoo in my hair, not even enough because my hair is so greasy, but I'm literally going to the hairdresser, so there's no point washing it. Okay, I'm gonna grab some perfume, pack my bag, and then head off. Before I go, I'm just getting the kids dressed, and Rudy's playing with my favourite MAC lipstick. Is that fun? Maybe that's what we could take on the plane. That'll entertain him for 12 hours. Oh. And again?
Jumping on the bed holding hands.
Packing a book in my handbag. Who even am I? But I'm so into this book. I've absolutely like devoured it. I love it. Look, I'm almost at the end. I really want to finish it. It's Daisy Jones and the Six. I saw that the TV show is coming out soon and I heard so many people rave about the book, and I know it's always really annoying when people watch the TV show or film before reading the book, so I thought I'd give it a go and I've really enjoyed it. Really not what I was expecting. The way it's written like they're interviewing the different members of the band. I think that's what's kept me so engaged, rather than it being like a story. Like you hear it from all the different members of the band. Very, very easy to read, very like 70s Fleetwood Mac vibes. I've spent the first like 3 chapters Googling whether it was a real band or not. Still confused, but as far as I'm aware, it's a fictional band. Got my 8-hour cream, my phone, blush, lipstick, my purse and stuff is downstairs. Let's go. So I'm in Victoria. The first thing I have this morning is an event with Freddys Flowers. I think they're announcing a new product launch. I'm not entirely sure, but it's like a big reveal. So I think we'll also be doing some like flower arranging, so I'm excited for that. Really early though. It said it was going to take me an hour to get here, and it took half an hour, which is good, but now I'm really early. But Victoria's like all been done up in recent years and it's quite cool now, so I might just need to pop into Boots and get some bits. What do you do when you've got 15 minutes by yourself? You absolutely walk around a supermarket on your own. Oh my god, I just saw like a flurry of people at the maple syrup aisle, and I realised it's pancake day today. I totally forgot. My kids definitely can't eat pancakes today because they're not well enough, so I guess we'll have to reschedule it for another day. I can't believe I forgot. I love pancake day. Okay, so the event is at Artist Residence, which is a really lovely like small group of hotels. There's a few, and there's one in Brighton that I've stayed in before. So yeah, I don't know who's going to be there or what to expect, but should be a lovely morning surrounded by flowers. We've all got our own little styling stations.
I know. In orange square, so in orange square. We'll just start getting the flowers out and put them on the table. You'll find that actually the easiest way, is just get them out of the box, put them on the table. Do you know what fibonacci sequence? And what we're doing, and this is sort of just fundamental of flower arranging really, the shape of an arrangement is short around the edge, working towards the stems in the middle. Apparently, so if you actually, what we then do, I'm going to make it was a little blood bars, and take your saying, leaving your notes, which is really cool. So we all have iPads.
Okay, I finished the event and it was so good. It was really cool that Freddie himself was actually there, and hearing from a brand founder who's still very much involved in the brand, you always get a better idea of like the personality behind the brand, and he's so passionate about it. And I learned some really interesting things, especially how to take pollen out of a lily. You use one of the leaves off the lily and you pinch it like that. Oh my god, life-changing, because I am always spilling the pollen everywhere and I hate cutting it off, and I use kitchen towel, it's always such a mess. So yeah, it was really, really interesting, and I was pretty much the only content creator there. Everyone else was like a journalist, and I felt mega awkward. Didn't know anyone. Don't know why I've got such like event anxiety these days. It was really nice, and I've got a nice bunch of flowers in my tote bag now. I look like a proper Instagram cliche. Next, I'm going to a PR meeting with the girls from Blanket PR. So they organised a lunch. They want to show me some of the new products. They look after a range of different brands at the agency, and every now and again they like to update me on what's new, catch up. And I've known these girls for quite a long time now, so it's going to be really nice to see them. I think we're going to Flesh and Buns on Burnwick Street. No, on Berners Street. I don't think I've ever been there, so that would be really nice. Just popped back into M&S to get some bits that I needed for home, so I've got a bit of time between meetings. I just feel like everyone in my industry is like super chic, and I turn up to a work lunch with a bag of food shopping. Just really isn't cool, is it? Quickly, that's a lie, it's going to take like 3 hours. I'm coming into Hershey's, finally getting my hair cut and coloured. Really looking forward to this. Been needing to come for a really long time. Look how fun their bathrooms are. They're love the flamingo wallpaper.
Decided just to cover the greys today and leave the colour because he said actually there is quite a few different tones already in my natural hair colour that's quite nice, and he'd have to use bleach because if he used the other type of colour it would just go too warm on my hair, and I feel like my hair just doesn't need bleach yet because of postpartum hair since Rudy. I'm gonna give it another year, I think. He said maybe one option might be just to colour a few bits around my face because this part of my hair is darker than the rest for some reason. But I think we might wait and do that next time. So he's just going to cover my greys and then we're going to do a trim but keep it long, cut about that much. Done. Adrian is just the best. I love it. I'm really glad I kept my natural colour. Love the cut, and he does the best waves ever. And I'm gonna head back now to see the kids. Okay, I'm home. Earrings out. Bag off, coat off, hair clipped up, dinner, bath, bed, and then I'll come back to you guys.
Evening kitchen light is not the one, but I promised I'd be back. Successful dinner, bath, bed. I look a bit bedraggled. It's not even that many hours later. Let me show you a couple of things that I got in the supermarket because I did, in the end, a pancake mix. We don't normally use a pancake mix. Normally I would make my own, but I forgot it was pancake day. Very last minute thing. This isn't even for the kids because they're asleep. This is for me and Rich to have for dessert, I think. It says it makes 6 pancakes. That's quite a lot. You probably won't use it all. You just add water and shake it. We'll see how it is. I just like a lemon and sugar crepe. I could have 2. Most of the other stuff I got was pretty boring actually. Now I'm looking at it. Got some chocolate covered rice cakes. And, oh, my favourite, the candy floss, cotton candy. We don't call it cotton candy here. The candy floss. They're called cotton candy grapes, but then it says naturally grown with an unmistakable super sweet candy floss flavour. There must have been a reason why they couldn't just call them candy floss grapes. Yeah, it's a copyright thing. Love these. I don't know what I'm making for dinner. Oh, I also bought this as well, which I love. My dad would always have this for breakfast when I lived at home. So we always had it in the fridge. I can never find it on Ocado. Even though Ocado stock M&S, I can never find it on Ocado. So whenever I go into an M&S, I always get this. It's one of their deli fillers, which is like their pre-made spreads. The smoked salmon and cream cheese one. It's so good. I think I'm gonna make salmon for dinner. These are, oh, it says 4. I was gonna say, these are massive salmon fillets. There's 4. Okay, I don't need to cook all 4. I'll put 2 of them in a sandwich bag. Keep them in the fridge or freeze them if I can. Salmon fillets and soba noodles and some veg or something. That is what I'm going to make for dinner. Right, I'm going to end the vlog here. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please check the description box for links to the Missoma. Sorry, I'm just eating. I can't stop eating them. For links to the Missoma air hoops. Honestly, such a nice collection. And I got so many questions today on Instagram stories asking where my earrings are from because you guys saw me wearing them. I think they're going to be really, really popular and there's a huge range to pick from. So definitely check the description box. I'll put everything down there, what I've been wearing, where I went, everything. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.